started, I told you that we'll be on Friday with a very special guest with us. So you might have seen promo, and in promo you might have observed a very young guy named Mr. Arun Raidu. Arun Raidu, who is an artistic specialization is artistic skating, right? So the very important thing is that this personality is not only famous for only skating, he is worldwide famous. Famous in the sense in the field of artistic skating, he is at the 5th position. And in Asia, it's in 2nd position. Am I right, Arun?
Yes.
So Arun, welcome to our show. It's nothing but only talks. So here today, don't worry, we won't take much time of yours. And as you can see, so many shields, cups all over here. These are Kunkulit, Arun. And me especially, he has done something really great. It's his achievement. His parents are very proud of him. Not only his parents, we all. Our country is proud of him. So Arun, today, like as we are here, and you know, I must introduce my show, that this is nothing but only talks, where we will like inviting one of the guests from our country who may be who has done something good for the society, for the well-being of the society, or who has any good achievements. So as name itself, so we can't stop ourselves, we can't resist ourselves to welcome you. So welcome to our show. It's nothing but only talks. So let's see what I want to just introduce the milestones, that is what he achieved in which year, and it's very surprising that he is being in this skating field but since 3 years of his age, which is not a small thing. 3 years, could you imagine? But even many kids, they can't speak well, but at the age of 3 he started his skating career. His father name is Mr. R.B. Rao Garu, and his mother is Geeta Raidu Garu. He is having a sibling, a brother, younger brother, Chaitanya, who is also, I think, in his sports, in some sports.
He is not into sports, he is into keyboard playing.
He is in keyboard playing. Of course, it's also an art. It's very good. It's in piano. So, and not only that, he, like, you know, when he, you might have seen the video, he came up with a partner, which is really difficult. I really couldn't imagine that a person can run or a person can dance on a skate, which is really difficult. So Arun, I want yourself to introduce yourself properly.
Firstly, thank you so much for having me on the show, and thank you. It's a very good initiative you have taken. Like basically now, country there are so many talented people, but they are so underrated, and you're trying to give them some limelight to this show. So thank you so much for having me. And firstly, my name is Raidu Arun Kumar, and as you have already introduced me, I am an international skater representing India since 2014. And right now I'm ranked world number 5 and Asian number 2, and I'm 12 times national champion as well.
Okay, so as per the introduction, so shall we start? We don't take much time. So may I ask some questions? Don't worry, it's not an interview question for any job. Rather, we want to know something about you. So in this thing, so first of all, I want to ask, when you were a kid, that means what made you attract to the skating field?
It's basically the wheels which we roll, and basically when I was 3 years old, when we were going around the city, I saw skaters going on the road. We used to be skating the beach road. So then I asked my mom that I'm so interested in skating. Then
At the age of 3?
Yeah, because I didn't know it was skating and it was something like, I just saw that, I was going in a car and I saw some people going past our car. And I was like, there's something in that, they're going so far. There was something in that. So I asked my mom, like, I want to do that because they're going so far. Because I was so fascinated by going at high speeds and all that. So I told my mom, yeah, mom, I want to go there. I didn't know what. Then mom was like, I don't know why she took so seriously. She joined me in an academy. Then in the academy, I was like learning it very fast. Like the one which I used to learn in 6 months, I was learning in 4-5 months. Then the coach was so happy and everything. Then I went for my first district. I got my first gold. Then first state, first gold, and first national I got gold. And like that, I just keep on continuing like that.
So the journey goes on like that. It's really great, Arun. I must congratulate you for that, and especially your mom. It's very important that a parent should take interest in all the whatever habits or whatever interest a parent should see that. So it's a good lesson to our parents also, and really I congratulate to Geeta Garu also. So next is I want to know like what, as we all know, yeah, skating the wheels adapted. Now the thing is there must be something which had motivated you to go for what do you call this is artistic skating. So what was that?
There was nothing like that motivation kind of thing for going into artistic. Like basically in skating there are three types: speed, hockey, and artistic. Speed is like the thing which we it's like athletics where we do all the races and 400 meters relay, 500 meters, 800 like that. And where hockey, is just like playing field hockey on skate. Whereas coming to artistic, it's a event where we do gymnastics, like doing gymnastics on wheels. So where we do all the jumps and spins and all that. But I've seen so many in ice skating and all that. So it's just that my coach gave me three options to my mom, which one to choose: speed, hockey, and artistic. And I don't know, mom was fascinated by artistic because it gives that look, and that by seeing the artistic only you'll get that feel that it's looking so good and all that. So mom went with artistic because I think I was in first class when I took that artistic. When I started artistic, that time I didn't know what was speed, hockey, and artistic. So it was completely mom's choice that she took artistic over the other two events.
But you were fascinated with that, right?
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah.
Because
So Arun was fascinated with that, jumping, spinning, dancing, and all. It's really. So do you think it was easy? Was it easy?
it was not easy because our event is basically like we include all the jumps and all that where we rotate 2-3 rounds in the air. So it requires a lot of fitness and also flexibility and all that endurance and all that where you have to do it 4 minutes, 2 minutes program continuously by doing all the jumps and spins. So it's not easy like from the diet, fitness and the training routines and everything. It was very rigorous and it was very tough. But in the end, it was all worth of doing all the hard work.
Yeah, really. When we see in TV, when we watch something on the TV, so in that TV we see that people are jumping, doing gymnastics. It's really, I feel really so good. I don't know how. Recently I saw in YouTube, Facebook, and all also. But really, it's very difficult. That's why I asked, was it easy? I know it was not
Nothing is
easy.
easy.
Okay, nothing is easy.
Yeah.
So, like, what is the thing? Do you have any special person or any special coach or any teacher like who motivated you?
Firstly, it's mom who is my first coach, and also at different points of time there are different coaches. My main coach is Akula Pawankumar sir. He himself is an international skater and also international coach as well for Team India. So then he's coaching me for the last 10 years. He's coaching me. So he has been motivating me all the time. So he's one of the, and also my another inspiration is in skating. It's Anup Kumar Yama, who is the Arjuna award in the sport. And also my other motivator is Milka Singh, and it's been my dream for meeting, and I met him 2 times till now.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, so once for lunch and once for breakfast, and he's invited me to his restaurant. So these are all the people who are, and also there are many people like I take inspired by so many people out there who are talented and everything. Because if you see at any person in the world, there's something to take from him. Even though he's a normal person or any person who has achieved, there's something or the other you can take from him. There's some or the other positive thing. So I feel that you have to take the positives from any person and you have to move on your life. That will help you in a
Very good, Arun. It seems that how intellectual he is. That means he is the person who always grasps the positiveness from any person, isn't it, Arjun? Not only the celebrities or the stars. So as you're telling from each and every person there is a positiveness, and it's very true. We should always try to get. This is the thing which we learned from you today, and really thank you for this. Now you tell me, when you go on competition, like we saw in video also. So when you are performing lively, or when you are in the performance process, so I understand you will be having so much pressure, right? So the show will be of how many minutes or hours?
basically, the show is in 2 programs. One is the short and one is the long.
Okay.
Then short is like of 2 minutes and long is of 4 minutes. And in short, you have to do only the things which they tell you to do. There are some compulsory elements you have to. You can do more than that or less than that. You have to do only that. And in the long, they will be given the elements which you have to do. But there is also relaxation that you can do more elements than that. You get relaxed because there is a lot of time, so you can tend to do more elements than that. So that, and short is of 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, and long is 4 to 5. So So basing on this both program, the final scorecard, the final result is confirmed.
Okay. Rather we can say that only 2 to 4 minutes, but let me tell you, I understand that we have to prepare for so much beforehand.
Whole
We have to
year of
prepare.
training just for that 7
And on the
4
day
weeks.
of show also, I think you have to give 2 to 3 hours over there. So you
Yeah.
have to handle all the pressure and
Yeah.
stress in the mind that, oh my God, I have to perform this, perform that, maybe I'm wrong in some time. So how you handle that pressure?
Handling press is very important because before the competition, going into the competition with the right mindset is very important because you have to be positive that you are going to be performing so hard because you have worked hard all these years just for those 7 minutes of the 4 minutes of program. So if you can do that program nicely, then all the years of hard work is like useless. So then that 4 minutes is very important. So for that you need to go with positive minds that you're going to be fine, you're going to do it best, and you're going to give out your best. Because in the end, the result doesn't matter, but giving out your best matters. So I always try to give out my best in the competition, no matter what the result is. And when you give out your best, automatically the best
That's
result comes
very
out.
important that a person should always try to in Chakde movie is there no ये 70 मिनट और 90 minutes
हाँ, 70
ये 70 मिनट जी लो तुम 70 मिनट में पूरा अपना सब कुछ दिखा लो yes very true Arun. So like that you have to give that best in those 6 to 7 minutes and really it's very important but I truly understand how much pressure it would be, how much stress it would be, but once you get into that of course I know you will be in that flow, right? It's wonderful. So now tell me, what do you think? What are your strengths among you, which help you in moving for the?
I think strength is that I never give up.
That's
Yeah, because that is the main strength you have to have because you have to never give up and you have to always keep hustling because you have to keep dreaming because dreams do come true. And I also believe that this darker times before the dawn, that the night is so dark before the dawn. So whenever you are having any bad time, just be happy that you're ending up or using up all the bad luck written in your life because in every person bad and good luck is written. So if you're having a bad time right now, so it's better you smile and just go through that moment. And as time goes by, even the bad luck will go and the good times will follow.
what is your age, Arun?
Gonna be 21 this December.
See, at the age of 21 years, he's talking so much, we don't need any teacher upgrade. So, right, he is giving really, I also don't know so many things, and really, you are such a confident person. Hats off to your parents who has given you such a good bringing up, and really, we feel very proud to be like Arun in our country, in our nation, who is representing our nation. Even though I don't know skating, but still, like I feel that somebody is beside me who has done something great, and I could say that yes, I know that.
Even at this age, you can learn skating because there's no age limit for learning skating.
I know, but if I fell down, no, it would be difficult for me. Okay, fine. Now, as you've gone through many presentations, right? Now, do you remember any specific presentation where, like you can feel that yeah, it was my best one?
Well, every competition you have to look at it as the best of your one. Then only you will like be happy with the result what has come. And I think the best one I have done till now is the 2018 Asian Championship where I got ranked Asian number 2 and I got silver medal for the country. Then I think I've given the best in that, but that is not the best in my life because the best is yet to come in the future. So, but I think till now that's the best competition. And the last international championship I've been, and after seeing the Indian flag raising high, that's also because of you. It gives goosebumps when you see when you're standing on the podium and you're seeing with a silver medal in the chest and the national flag going up. So, and my next dream is to stand on the gold medal podium with the gold medal and to listen to the national anthem playing when our national flag goes high.
Of course, Arun will be there in very short time, and we'll see Arun in that position. So, like now, what helps you like stay organized? I know Arun is, he's very organized person. He do exercise regularly. He plays well. He's having many friends, and he's very helpful at home. He is very obedient child. I don't think you are having any flaws. This guy is not having any flaws.
I'm a human basically. So I have
So he told about strength. Now you tell me. So what are those flaws you feel that yes, this is my flaw?
flaws is that I'm not punctual at all. I tend
Is
to
it
miss
so?
I tend to
Okay.
miss the time because like even in the when you go for the international championship and all that, when the team bus is moving to the airport or to the hotel, when it's like 5 o'clock you have to report, I'll be there down at 3:59, 4:41. Not too early, not too late or not. Like, and I'll be the last one to board the bus. And even sometimes during the training also, when everyone comes like around when the coach says the four, and I'm the one who takes the punishment. I run some 10 rounds. I do push-ups and all that punishment because of I can't. But now I'm overcoming that because that's a very bad thing. Yeah, so I'm trying to overcome that. Before I was like 10 minutes late. Now I'm like 2 minutes, 1 minute. So I'll get to that
But
on
tell me
time.
frankly, do you take those punishments as a punishment? I think you always took it as a workout. Because this guy, I always saw him like doing workout only, isn't it? So you didn't take it as a punishment.
Yeah, like we can say that.
Okay, Arun, and really, we after knowing all this, we are really we became fan of yours.
Thanks.
So he is very good. He is very good at that. I know he has given answers to many professional questions. Let's have fun. Let's have some
Yeah, sure,
ice-breaking
sure.
session so that we could relax, isn't it? So we go through a what do you call rapid fire round where we will be asking some funny questions or fun questions. You can answer in fun only.
Yeah.
So like so may I ask?
Yeah,
Shall we
go on,
start?
go on, go on.
Okay. So the first question is, if a movie was about to made on your life, okay, in that case, with which heroine you want to do that movie?
It's a tough question.
It's a good question. You are having many favorite heroines.
I would say Shraddha Kapoor.
Shraddha Kapoor, yeah, because I love her dance. She danced very well. Yes, Shraddha Kapoor. Okay. Next is, do you want to skate on the moon?
Yeah, obviously if you can.
If you can.
Scientifically, if you can. Scientifically,
Okay.
it's possible.
Scientifically, if you can, then he want to skate on the moon. Please take me with along.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Now tell me the funniest line you told to your mom or your dad. Any line.
Line.
Lie.
Lie.
Abaddam.
That I'm late because of traffic. There's so much of traffic while coming back home.
Okay, so Geeta Garu, be alert. If any time he tells that yes, I'm late because of traffic, don't rely on that. Okay, fine. And anything you might have steal from your kitchen, eat something when your parents are sleeping, and when your mom and dad said don't eat that.
Yeah, because we have a diet, proper diet and everything, and we can't eat all the cakes and all that. So there were times in my childhood, like when I was like small, around like 12 years like that, when I didn't know the importance of diet. So when mom makes cakes for my younger brother, and she tells me like not to have it, and also she keeps in a place where I don't know the place. But
Okay.
somehow I get to know that I used to eat all that cakes and all that. So I used to be like, these two misses are places are missing, then it's complete. Then I'm sure she's like Arun, and I'm like used to run out of there also.
Okay, you should. So which is the embarrassing moment when you might have stolen something, she might have caught you, or
She calls me every time.
every time. So
Because I'm a bad thing.
so he can't tell lie. He's very bad at that. No, now did you steal anything from the mall or somewhere? Mall, any shopping place?
Yeah.
What?
When we went with a friend, like we went for a restaurant actually,
Okay.
so we didn't have money to pay.
Okay.
So it was like in I think in Indian team camps. I think it was in Chandigarh or Delhi. So we went for the dinner straight away from the practice after and we thought we had wallets, but before going to practice we keep wallets in one bag so that instead of the kit bag we keep in one bag. But the bag was not there with us. It was with someone else, some other pair. So the bag was so we didn't have any money, but we ate all the food and everything. Then the bill came. Then suddenly, like each of us, one went for phone call and one went for the washroom, and we all scattered. We came back. And next day, after the practice is done, we went back. We had that bill, like we didn't know the cost of the bill, so we went and we told him like yesterday we didn't have money, so sorry we ran without money. So next day we went and paid the money.
See how much this boy is good. You should not be good like that. Okay. So now tell me, what do you think when you are alone in a car or in a place? If you are in a car, suppose you are alone, you are coming alone. So what do you think? What are the thinking goes in your mind?
Thinking goes like which song to play next, which favorite song of mine to play next.
Acha, which song do you play next? Yeah, good answer. Now, if you would be any animal, okay, and a god came and said, I'll give you a boon, tell me, Arun, what do you want? Which animal do you want to be? So which
I would
animal?
say animal which has the pride of a lion, the speed of cheetah, and the strength of elephant.
No, tell me, could you please tell me what is that animal?
And I told a special animal because anyways God is asking a boon.
Acha, it's a modification of the
Yeah,
animal.
it's a
an
genetically updated animal.
Updated version of an animal. Okay. Funniest thing happened in your life till now.
Like there are so many funniest things. Like this
In
one.
the first thing which comes in your mind.
Okay, there was one like when we go for the international championship. So when we the juniors come in for the Indian team, we seniors normally play small pranks. So there was one prank we played on one new skater, junior skater was come. So I think we went to China in 2017. So we were there at the immigration center. Then poor guy didn't know that what is an immigration center because that's his first international cricket. So we were like. In the immigration center, they're gonna ask you what's your gotram, what's your nakshatram, and what are astrological sign and all that, which religion you are, which caste you are, and all that. Basically, the gotram which you do for the puja.
Yeah.
So then he was like, he didn't know anything of that. So he was so scared. He was continuing, and even though China, we didn't go outside there, so we didn't take sin. So he was like continuing to make a call to his mom, like I didn't know about this. Then we allowed into the country. Then he went to the immigration center. Then he was like, I told like, you tell me all my things because they don't know most of the last. So as soon as he went near the immigration officer, he was like, yeah, Venuvardhan Madhavadavatham. He was like telling all the things we told him. Then she was like, just see, look at the camera, finger, yeah, you can go. That's it.
So much prepared, but nothing was done. Okay. Funniest thing you do in your free time? Don't tell me workout and practice and all. Funniest thing you do?
The thing is that I dance all around. I keep music and dance around on the bed and everything. I just keep shouting like just even though mom is doing some work, I'll be like keep shouting, "Amma," something like just to irritate her, something like that.
So tell your brother or mother to take a video when he is doing any mad dancing on the bed. So next time we will keep that promo. Okay. If suppose I have given you an elephant, okay, and I like you can't sell it, you can't give it to anybody. What will you do? You'll keep it.
Yeah, because I like it.
Oh, he like elephant. So that means if anybody wants to gift anything to Arun, kindly give elephant.
You can give elephant, horse.
Okay. So and if you like if boon is given that you could get topping on ice cream. So which topping you want to eat?
Chocolate chip.
Choco chip. Okay, yeah, really it's tasty. I'm feeling like you're feeling
No,
the
don't tell
craving.
me. I will get that train. Can't have it this month because I already had a cheap meal this month.
Oh.
Next month, so I can't have it.
See, so much sacrifice he is doing and we are eating lot.
good,
What we are eating.
You are enjoying
And
your
see,
life.
No, you are really. You people are working so hard and we are eating everything. But don't worry, I'll ask your mom to give like good ice cream once your competition is over. So Arun, so what was your opinion about this? Nothing but only talks. As I said, we had a good talk today. So anything else you want to share with our people?
Nothing much actually. Like we are going through a very hard time. So I wish request all the people to stay home and stay safe during these hard times. And even these times will pass. So the happy and the good times are yet to come. So stay home, stay safe.
It's very important, as we all know that we are at during the very bad position of pandemic, and we all suffered a lot. Many people have incurred very losses. We are having economic loss. The big recession period is going on, and students are suffering. People are suffering. What not? The whole world is suffering. So I request everyone to kindly be safe, sanitize properly, have good food, increase immunity. So and in the last, Arun, we as we thought this is your first guest, and we are planning like we will make the guest. We want our guest to write something on this. Okay, maybe your autograph and you hold it, or any wish or any wishes, anything, whatever you want to, you can write and you can give an autograph. Okay, it will be a gift to our channel. Some other pen? So guys, Arun, we know, hey, Arun Raidu is a person who is very positive towards life, who is very considerate, who is very patient, who is very stabilized, organized person, who has given a meaning to feel proud on him. Thank you. Stay blessed and keep smiling. You can see Arun has written, he has given a good autograph. And Arun, you hold it and show it to our people. Yeah. So it's like a good wishes to our channel, and really we are very thankful towards that. So the thing is, as Arun Raidu, he is a good artistic skater who has done, who is worldwide is in the 5th position, and in Asian he is in the 2nd position, and India what not, right? He's always first in that, so he's always good in that. Thank you Arun for
Thank
that.
you so much.
And we are very much privileged to interview. So here Jayanti is with Arun today. Shall we take a selfie?
Yeah.
Arun,
Yeah. Thank you, Arun. And thank you, guys. I wish stay tuned till Friday, and next Friday we'll be coming on with some other guests. And as you know, we are very much fortunate. We are privileged that Arun are here, and we are at Arun's home only. You might have seen his medals, cups, whatever it is. I mean, it's really a very big achievement. Thank you so much, Shabaka. Good night. Bye. See you.
Thank you so much for having me on the show, and all the best for the channel. Jai Hind.